Hebrew for shopping. How much is, equals.
כמה עולה?
Welcome to the Shuck. Brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Picture this. Your wallet refuses to open until it hears you ask the magic words. You grin, raise your eyebrows, and say,
כמה עולה?
boom, price unlocked. Your goal today. You'll nail one mighty phrase and a few power words. Ready? Main phrase. How much is?
כמה עולה?
Helper words you'll spot in the wild. Price.
מחיר.
Money.
כסף.
Expensive.
יקר.
Cheap.
זול.
And the quick question, how much?
כמה?
Mini dialogue at the stand. Jump into a quick, funny market scene, then repeat out loud. You. I love this hat.
כמה עולה?
Vendor.
50 שקלים.
You. Nice. What's the price?
מחיר.
Again? Vendor.
50.
Cash is fine.
כסף.
Or card. You. Thinking, not too.
יקר.
Actually pretty.
זול.
Pronunciation beat. Clap it out with me, keep it playful. Ka'ameola? Ka'ameola?
כמה עולה?
Money gesture with your fingers, eyebrows up, smile on, own that question. Drills. Swap the item. You point, you ask, you win. Repeat after me. Point to a coffee. How much is?
כמה עולה?
Point to a t-shirt.
כמה עולה?
If you forget the full line, ask fast. How much?
כמה?
Confirm the price. What's the price? The
מחיר.
question mark quote. Culture tip. Smart shopping. A tiny tip saves big coins. At open-air markets, smile first, ask.
כמה עולה?
Then react politely, if it's.
יקר.
Make a face like your wallet size, if it's.
זול.
Do a happy nod. Keep your
כסף.
handy, and always clarify the
מחיר.
memory hacks that stick. Make your brain grin, remember faster. Mnemonic. Comma sounds like, comma, pause, comma, then ask the price.
כמה עולה?
Gesture. Rub thumb and fingers, money, eyebrows up, say.
כמה עולה?
Loci. At your front door hangs a big tag. It opens only when you say.
כמה עולה?
Humor. Your talking wallet won't open until you whisper.
כמה עולה?
Quiz lightning round. You answer out loud, I'll wait. Q1. What Hebrew phrase do you use to ask, how much is? A.
כמה עולה?
Q2. Say, how much, fast and simple. A.
כמה?
Q3. Which word is price? A.
מחיר.
Q4. Expensive or cheap, pick the right word. Expensive equals.
יקר.
Cheap equals.
זול.
Challenge mode. Ready for a real-life test? You've got this. Find 3 items around you: mug, book, headphones. Point at each and ask clearly.
כמה עולה?
Bonus. For a single specific item, you can also hear locals say, how much is it?
כמה זה עולה?
Record yourself, listen back, and beat your own timing. Thanks and next steps. Nice work, your shopping superpower is unlocked. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for learning with us. Keep practicing.
כמה עולה?
And the power words.
מחיר. כסף. יקר. זול.
And.
כמה?
Thanks for listening. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more bite-sized lessons, downloads, and fun challenges.